Honey, when I had boric acid, and I did use boric acid suppositories back in, some years ago. Okay, but when I had boric acid, I just think of roaches. Now, honey, I put you on to good things, lovely things. I'm going to deliver. I'm not a huge fan of pretzels. But honey, when I tell you these Pop Daddy pretzels, honey, take a look at this. Just look at it 1 second, okay? Honey, I had to open these and see if these was really what it was hitting for, because it was another content creator who said these was good, and I said, you know what? Let me put her to the test. Honey, these are good. The Dutch apple pie pretzel sticks, girls. That I don't really do pretzels like that. But this is definitely something I could get jiggy with. And let me tell you something, my love bugs. Okay, listen, we in Clifton, New Jersey, Dollar Tree today. Who said I was in delivery? I just want to know who was there. Okay, was it you, boo? Okay, because I deliver. Now, there's words to the mother and the brother. You see me with these? That means it's game time. Hey, love bugs, listen. So today I am at the Dollar Tree in Clifton, New Jersey. Check this out. Who said the Dollar Tree ain't delivering when it comes to the BioPure White? Okay. Now, these are antibacterial hand wipes. Honey apple. You get 40 of these for $1.25. Honey, but wait, it gets better. Now, Dollar Tree also have the cherry pie wipes. $40, $1.25. Check them out. Dollar Tree is out here delivering, girls. Let's go. So when it comes to the wipes, Dollar Tree has a plethora of options for you to choose from. They have the cherry pie. They also have the apple honey we seen. They also have the cozy vanilla. And then they also have the strawberry shortcake. Oh, I like that. Honey, that just sounds good. $1.25. Love this. Another new item at Dollar Tree is the Ayani whiskers and wispies. Now, this is the 3D mink lashes. Now, I must say, these don't look like you're gonna fly away, some of them. This one, it looks more so on the natural side. I want to say probably most of them. So, they have Munchkin, Kitten, Luna, Louie. They also have Tabby, Whiskers. Oh, Whiskers, honey, come on now. Numbers, Bella, Daisy, Willow, Simba, Jasper, Cleo. Now, let me tell you, Oli, if you're a person that, you love your lashes and you like finding lashes on a deal, definitely come to Dollar Tree. Now, if you guys are looking for some fashion nails, Dollar Tree definitely has them. The 12 pieces for $1.25. Honey, they got so many different nail sizes. Now, this one, they also have, honey, look at Dollar Tree with the hard rhinestone. Honey, they just out here showing out at this point. These are cute. Likes these with the heart. That is $1.25. Ooh, this red is definitely giving. I like this one. Really cute. They also have these, $1.25. Then they also have these and these as well. And if you guys are still looking for the prime art markers, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These are 5 fabric markers for $1.50. Now, when it comes to the LA colors, Dollar Tree has been selling out like hotcakes. Now, I first seen these last week at another Dollar Tree location, and when I tell you, absolutely still deal like Holyfield. They have the eyeshadow for and into autumn eyes. Love that. Duo eyeliner. Hey there. They also have the different colors when it comes to the eyeshadow eyeliners. They also have the blush. Love love this. Lip glosses they have, and look at how fancy these are. Now this one is feeling grateful. Honey, each and every day you should be feeling grateful. Now they also have Sweetie Pie over here. More blush sets. Really cute. Love this. If you guys are looking for Christmas items, Dollar Tree definitely has them. They have the bells over here. You get 6 bells for $1.50. Now, all holiday theme items, they will be $1.50. They have the felt stickers. They also have the paint your own ornaments over here, which are so cute. And this is pretty much the DIY section. Love this. Look at this, the DIY tote bags they have. Really nice. Now, if you guys are looking for some hand-painted shatterproof ornaments, Dollar Tree got these. These are now $7. Absolutely love this. The hand-painted shatterproof ornaments over here. Those are really cute. These are $5. Nice. Icicle ornaments, anyone? I absolutely love when they put these Christmas items out. These are so cute. 10 pieces for $1.50. Really cute. Whatever type of ornaments your fancy big heart desire, Dollar Tree definitely isn't a place to be, and they have them. Also, more ornaments. You get 3 pieces. The icicles, those are $1.50. They also have the Merry Christmas signs over here, 5 for $1.50. Alright, so if you guys are looking for something that is going to give your home that sparkle darkle, Dollar Tree has these LED pillar dust glitter candles. They come 3 pieces, $5. They have 2 colors. They have the gold and they also have the silver. Love this. If you guys are looking for more throw pillows, Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. They have different colors. They have this green, this beige, and they also have this dark gray, and these are $7. When it comes to name brand body scrub, Onyx Bath House is definitely going to deliver. They have the Beach Vacay daiquiri with coconut oil, and then they also have the strawberry kiwi apple with avocado oil, $1.25. Now in this location, they finally brought in the Softy Refreshing Wig Dry Shampoo, hibiscus. This is $1.50. Now the cool thing about these, I was thinking all along that this was just for wigs. Come to find out that you can use this also for your natural hair. They also have the Wrench Out Conditioner. Really cool. Love this. Now Dollar Tree also have these Sophie hair clips. You get 3 of these for $1.50. They also have the tail combs over here. I never really got the concept of the combs being like this. Like, what would you use this for? I just don't understand it. Now, they also have the teasing brush. This is $1.50. If you're looking for wig clips, Dollar Tree definitely is in a place to be. From Softy, 10-pack, $1.50. Now, this next set that I'm finna show you, oh my goodness. When it first came out, I was just blown away. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the Ayani Dia de Los, I think that's how you pronounce it, lash plus makeup bar. When I tell you this set delivered like no other, and that's word to the mother and a brother. Liquid eyeshadow, this is a must. This is the metallic teal. I purchased this last time, absolutely fell in love with it. And get into the packaging. Skull heads, anyone? Love it. They also have the metallic purple, and all of these, they have names like Felicia, and then they also have Angel. They also have some lip colors, some lipsticks down at the bottom. This is like a dark burgundy. They also have Lola. This is like more so like a brighter red. And then they also have Maria. Who remember that song? They also have the glow in the dark. This is the eyeshadow sticks. Okay. Yes. Glows under UV. Now, when it comes to feminine items, Dollar Tree has just for her coconut water flushable wipes over here, just for her soothing aloe flushable wipes, 2 different kinds. They also have just for her odor reducing boric acid, extra cleansing disposable dish, $1.25. Honey, when I had boric acid, and I did use boric acid suppositories back in, some years ago. Okay, but when I had boric acid, I just think of roaches. Okay, who when they hear boric acid, they think of roaches? Honey, I know I ain't the only one. This is $1.25. If you guys need extension cords, Dollar Tree definitely has them. What I tell you, this is like the hardware store. So many stores in one. These are $2, 2 different colors, 6 feet they are, blue and also white. Now, Dollar Tree also have the one indoor alarm. Check this out. Easy to install alert system. No wiring. Love that. This is I want to say $1.50. It's no price on here, just the red sticker. Okay, so this fairly looks new. Laundry detergent packs, the 5-in-1 Mountain Fresh. You get 10 of these for $1.50. Let us know in the comment section if you guys use these and how were they. Now, when it comes to cleaning items, I know this is the dupe of the dupest, okay? The dupe of pink formula. Now, these are absolutely amazing. When I tell you, it's terrific, especially this, the cleaning paste, multi-purpose, love this. And it smells like grapefruit. Now, they also have the bathroom foaming cleaner, and then they also have the kitchen one. I don't see the kitchen one over here. But they do have the heavy traffic deep cleans, neutralizes odors, $1.50. Oh, and then they also have the sparkling glass. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for this line. But I absolutely love this line. This is really, really good. Again, my fave is definitely this. If you guys are looking for some 4-color tumblers, Dollar Tree definitely in a place to be. With these tumblers, $1.50. This is okay with me. And if you're looking for a drink that is good, these aloe veras, oh my goodness, with the chunks of aloe. Now, I don't know if Dollar Tree has this, if they have the chunks of aloe, but oh my goodness, aloe vera drink with the chunks is absolutely a must. So good.